We'll start our hierarchy system of the court, that is judiciary. So in the first or foremost apex court or highest court is the Supreme Court of India. About it we will study in this video. The Supreme Court is the apex court of the judicial hierarchy. सबसे ऊंची कोर्ट, सबसे highest court is the Supreme Court, which was there in Delhi, the national capital in India, है ना. तो आपके इंडिया के national capital है दिल्ली. The Supreme Court was seated in Delhi. Nextly, it was seated of the Supreme Court that the Delhi. It makes the final decisions which are then obeyed by all the courts of our country. Means above the Supreme Court you cannot go anywhere. It was the highest court and its decision will be final decision होगा, है ना. आप इसके ऊपर किसी भी कोर्ट में नहीं जा सकते. Composition, it consists of total 31 judges and the Chief Justice of India. The Chief Justice had the Supreme Court, means one judge and maximum 30 other judges. Means total overall composition of this Supreme Court judges will be 31. Nextly, appointment. Who will appoint the Supreme Court Chief Justice? President. The President appoints the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court with the consultation with those judges of the Supreme Court and the High Court whom he deem necessary. किसके सलाह से करेगा, किसके कंसल्टेशन से करेगा? With the High Court and the Supreme Court. Other judges, 30 judges are there, ना. तो with their consultation the CJI will be appointed. Chief Justice of Supreme Court is appointed with the consultation of High Court and Supreme Court other judges. Other judges कैसे अपॉइंट होंगे? The other judges are also appointed by the President in consultation with the Chief Justice of India. Chief Justice से consult करके President consult करेगा Chief Justice of India से, and other 30 judges will be appointed in the Supreme Court. Eligibility means qualification. What was the qualification of Supreme Court judge? To qualify for the appointment of these judges of Supreme Court, what was the qualification? First, he must be a citizen of India. तभी आप सुप्रीम कोर्ट के आपके जजेस के लिए क्वालिफाइड होगे व्हेन यू विल बी अ सिटीजन ऑफ इंडिया एंड हैव एक्सपीरियंस एटलीस्ट 5 years ऑफ द जज ऑफ हाई कोर्ट एंड एटलीस्ट 10 years एज एडवोकेसी ऑफ द हाई कोर्ट. मीन्स और लिखा है ना, तो 5 years आपके जज हो गए हाई कोर्ट के, या 10 years एडवोकेसी की होगी हाई कोर्ट में, और बी डिस्टिंग्विश्ड जूरिस्ट इन द प्रेसिडेंट्स ओपिनियन. और प्रेसिडेंट ऐसे पर्सन को भी चाहता है जिसमें बस ये क्वालिफिकेशन नहीं है, बट ही वांट्स दैट पर्सन विल बी बिकम चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट, तो ही कैन ऑल्सो नॉमिनेट दैट पर्सन. सो what was the qualification to become a Supreme Court judge? To have a Supreme Court judge, the person must have a citizen of India and must be having 5 years experience in High Court and 10 years experience as a judge in the High Court. Okay. Term, how much time period they are appointed, for how much time period? There is no fixed term period for the Supreme Court judge. कोई भी time periods नहीं है, but they serve till 65 age. Means 65 years तक, जब तक उसकी एज होगी, like 30, वो अपॉइंटेड हो गया एज अ जज ऑफ द सुप्रीम कोर्ट एट द एज ऑफ for 50 years. Okay, now till the 65 years computation he will be a judge of Supreme Court. 65 जब तक नहीं हो जाता तब तक वो वहाँ का जज बना रहेगा. Supreme Court judges can be removed by the President on the ground of misuse. And to remove the judges of the Supreme Court before the 65 years, if he wanted that judge will be removed from his post, so what was the series, what was the conduct of the President ये देखेगा कोई अपने पोस्ट का मिसयूज तो नहीं कर रहा है, नहीं misuse of his office तो नहीं कर रहा है, misbehavior और incapacity. Means on 3 grounds the Supreme Court judge can be removed from his post: on misuse, misbehavior of his post, और incapacity means पागल हो गया है, कुछ हो गया, incapable है, accident हो गया. तो in these 3 grounds that judge can be removed from his post. The process of removing the Supreme Court judges is called impeachment. Means अगर Supreme Court के judge को you want to remove the judges of Supreme Court, the one process is the impeachment. Lengthy process है, directly president बस मना कर देगा तो that person cannot be removed. Impeachment is a process which will be held in the removing of the Supreme Court judges or High Court judges. The process involves, what was this impeachment? Involves containing the charges against the judges. These motions must be passed by 2/3 majority of members of present and voting in both the house of the parliament. Means if you want to remove the judges of the Supreme Court, that person will मस्ट बी दैट पर्सन ऑन रिमूविंग ऑफ दैट पर्सन 2/3 मेजोरिटी के साइन होना चाहिए हाउस ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट के 2/3 मेंबर्स, है ना। तो मीन्स आपके 530 एंड 230 मेंबर्स को ऐड करके जो 2/3 मेंबर्स निकलेंगे दैट मस्ट बी साइंड ऑन हिज रिटायरमेंट और रिमूविंग, देन ओनली दैट जज विल बी रिमूव फ्रॉम हिज पोस्ट. ओके, क्लियर. जुरिडिक्शन मीन्स पावर. The jurisdiction refers to the scope of authority of Supreme Court to carry out judgment and enforce laws. The Supreme Court enjoys the following jurisdiction. What was the powers of the Supreme Court? They will enjoy 3 powers: original jurisdiction, applicant jurisdiction, advisory jurisdiction. Okay, 3 jurisdiction powers will Supreme Court are having. The first power is original jurisdiction. The original jurisdiction empowers the Supreme Court to hear and decide certain cases in first instance. Means Supreme Court अपने first instance in the original jurisdiction you can directly, first instance means you can directly file the cases to the Supreme Court. These cases can be heard in any other courts. Like which type of cases you can directly goes to the Supreme Court? In these cases like disputes between 2 states का होगा matters, so you can direct goes to the Supreme Court. Otherwise when you are filing the case you have to go to the subordinate court, then high court, then Supreme Court. This was the hierarchy, है ना. पहले छोटे में जाएंगे फिर उससे ऊपर फिर उससे ऊपर. But Supreme Court are having original jurisdiction on these issues like disputes between 2 states, dispute between union government and one or more state government, cases which concerns the violation of the constitution like fundamental rights का infringement या constitution का कोई article का violation हो रहा है in that way. Or lastly by issuing a writs of enforcement of fundamental, if your fundamental rights are abolishing, then you can directly file the case to the Supreme Court through the writ process. Okay, applicant, second jurisdiction, second power of the Supreme Court, feature of the Supreme Court, that is applicant. Applicant means, so in the applicant jurisdiction includes appeals against the judgment of the high courts, and the Supreme Courts being the highest judicial authorities have the power to review the decision of the high courts. Applicant means appeal of this high court will goes to the Supreme Court. So the Supreme Court having the applicant jurisdiction where the appeals of high court goes to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court was of India, this is all MCQ's question, was inaugurated कब बना था? 28 January 1950s में. और first woman judge who was appointed as the Chief Justice of Supreme Court was Justice Fatima Bibi in 1987 में फर्स्ट वुमेन बनी थी. उससे पहले आपके वुमेन्स को अलाउड नहीं था टू बिकम एन एडवोकेट, है ना. So this was the applicant jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. Next jurisdiction, that is advisory jurisdiction, advice देता है. So in the advisory jurisdiction empowers the Supreme Court to advise the President on constitutional issues when asked for. किस में आपके advisory jurisdiction रखता है Supreme Court? On the constitutional issues, है ना. जो भी constitutional के issues होंगे, in that he can give their advice. Supreme Court can give the advice to the President. However, the President is not bound to फॉलो इट्स एडवाइस. प्रेसिडेंट को अगर चाहिए कोई कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल इश्यूज़ में कोई प्रॉब्लम हो रही है तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट के पास एडवाइस के लिए जा सकता है, बट इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी ही फॉलो हिट्स एडवाइस. सो द सुप्रीम कोर्ट रिकॉर्ड्स एंड प्रिंट्स ऑल इट्स प्रोसीडिंग एंड जजमेंट. सो लास्टली इट इज़ गिवन दैट सुप्रीम कोर्ट इज़ द रिकॉर्ड कोर्ट. कोर्ट ऑफ रिकॉर्ड भी कहा जाता है बिकॉज इट रिकॉर्ड्स ऑल द प्रोसीडिंग एंड जजमेंट ऑफ द कोर्ट. सो इट इज़ कॉल्ड अ कोर्ट ऑफ रिकॉर्ड. This judgment serve as a law and can be sit by the subordinate court throughout the country. और अगर उसने कोई रूल्स और रेगुलेशन और किसी में केसेस में जजमेंट पास कर दिया तो दैट जजमेंट विल बी फॉलोड बाय द हाई कोर्ट एंड द सबऑर्डिनेट कोर्ट. ऑल द सबऑर्डिनेट कोर्ट फॉलो द जजमेंट ऑफ द सुप्रीम कोर्ट बिकॉज इट इज़ द हाइस्ट कोर्ट ऑफ द कंट्री. लास्ट, judicial review power is also with the Supreme Court. So in the judicial review is the power of the Supreme Court to examine the validity of the law passed by the union and the state. Means union और state में जो law पास किया है, like अभी आपके लॉकडाउन हुआ था, है ना, तो उस लॉकडाउन को भी चेंज करना या उस लॉकडाउन को देखना कि हाँ इट इज़ करेक्ट और नॉट, तो Supreme Court is having that power also, that is judicial review on the judgment of the union and the state laws जो भी बना रहे हैं. A law can also be annulled if found incompatible or with the constitution. अगर उसको लगता है कि that law will be wrong और जैसे लॉकडाउन हुआ था वो wrong है तो he can stop that law also. So Supreme Court are having this type of features. Supreme Court having this type of powers in it. Next topic, High Court. In the next session we will study it.